Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday afternoon, November 22nd. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs, and pretty much a catastrophic end to the day for all three of these indices, as we make all-time highs in ES, SPY, NQ, and triple Q. NQ and triple Q not only end with an outside day down, we all do, by the way, they have a trend day down. They have two sets of single prints in D and E. So they price probe, outside day down, trend day down. Russell briefly gets above the 20-day moving average, gets above March's high, only to go out with a price probe, an outside day down, and an afternoon rally high in L. SPY and ES. We open, go straight up. A and B, they couldn't buy them fast enough, only to have them puke down in D and E, come all the way back in L, and then rip lower, and I mean rip lower. M's range was $4.05, and we go out with a price probe and an outside day down ourselves after an all-time high. Didn't have a good day again. Got hurt on a long. I started the day well. With longs in A and B. I was scalping the 470 and the 472 calls. Did well. Got involved in C period. I said B low would be my out. Didn't stick to it. We came down in D. I got bigger. E. I'm like, on this type of day, you would think maybe they pull back, shake out some weak longs. We didn't have an inventory adjustment. Once they took out E's low, I'm like, forget it. This is not working. Got out and lost on that trade. Gave back everything and more that I had made in A and B. Took a small long in I, seeing if we were going to pop above and maybe get the half back at that time. Basically scratched on that. The one trade I did okay on is a short in K and L. Started a small short in K, added an L. But it was nothing big at all. And when they came back in, took them off. Never again. Look, never expected. We've had erratic price action really Thursday, Friday, and today. Is this signaling something? Is it signaling a top? Is it signaling buyers are getting nervous? I'm not sure what it's showing us, but it's not something to ignore. Okay, it's really not healthy or usual to get an all-time high. And we don't have a lot of excess either at the high, but to get an all-time high today and an NQ and triple Q, and then reverse like we did, both in E and then again here in M. Fascinating. We have 65 million on the tape, still under average. We'll probably do below average, but it's the heaviest we've done in a while. The heaviest volume this month is 69 million. So the volume hasn't been good. As far as destinations, upside, we have E's low, which is where we probed or spiked from, of 469.25. So if we can't get back above there tomorrow, sellers are still firmly in control. Value, by the way, was higher, overlapping high, went higher in L. I put it in bigger increments. I'm not sure if it ended up higher, overlapping high, but I wouldn't doubt if it went overlapping to higher. 472.40 afternoon rally high in L, and 473.54. Today's high and all-time high. Yeah, even though we closed $6 below it. For the downside, 467.35. Then we don't have anything to 466.34 daily low, and then 466.23 weekly low pull low. 466.22 single prints get filled at 465.37 from the 12th of November. 465.34 to 18 single prints from the 12th of November. 464.11 daily low. 463.75 daily low, and 462.04 weekly low. Please write those down. Now, not only do we have an outside day down, but let's go to the charts. Now we have to worry. Possible outside week down, right? Monthly still healthy, but we took out the all-time high. We got way above the all-time high by $3.50. Now last week's low is 466.23. We only closed a buck and change above it. So now we have to see, do we take out last week's low? If we do, then everything's on the table. Remember I said last week's range was very small. $4.61. Well, now we've taken out last week's high, and now there's a chance to take out last week's low. If that's the case, everything would be on the table going through Friday. Outside week up, outside week down, you name it. But for now, the monthly is healthy, and the daily is still weekly is still healthy. The daily is balance. It's a 3-day balance. I would use Thursday's low as the bottom of it. Okay? And today's high as the top of it. Now, if we take out today's low, for sure, we're going to test that balance low. And the 20-day moving average for us is down at 464.57, which would put us below last week's low and have us testing an outside week down possibly. So a lot of things on the table. I am, without a doubt, and I told the room, I'm as honest as possible. When I got out of that long after losing an E, I said, I am neutral. I am totally neutral. What the market-generated information was telling us, which was we had higher value. We had an all-time high. The indices was up. We were up pretty good today. Now we ended down 0.3%. With all that, I was shocked what E did. And then E sellers give it all up to go all the way back in L, and then we sold off. Now, I'm not surprised on that one. That one I said to the room, I would not expect to go get B's low or anything. I said I would not expect that. But I certainly didn't expect to roll over and do what we did to the downside again either. So buckle up. This could be a fun time coming our way. We'll see what goes on as this week progresses, because I thought we might have a quiet week, especially after when the market opened today. I'm like, all right, they're going to hurry up and wait. That's another reason I took that long. I said it's going to be another hurry up and wait situation. I want to show you where A and B rip up, and then all of a sudden, boom, we start trading sideways. C, D, E. That's what I thought, and that's why I took that long. Obviously not the case. Obviously not the case. Anyway, I hope you had a good day trading. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.